Today I'm gonna tell you about BrandBay. BrandBay is a digital asset management system that lets you store, organize, host, and share digital assets with ease. An asset management platform that lets you store, host, and instantly access digital assets for multiple brands. Share files with clients and team members using a white label interface and custom access permissions. Categorize digital brand assets and easily access them using the BrandBay Chrome extension. BrandBay keeps all brand assets in order. We're talking logos, colors, fonts, notes, PDFs, and raw design files, and of course images and videos. BrandBay supports virtually every file format available, and uploading them is simple. Just click the new button next to any category, enter a name and click upload. You can even create your own custom collections. Finally, all your brand assets for all your brands in one place. No matter how many brands you manage, BrandBay lets you switch between brand assets with a click. See how easy it is to keep track of everything this way. So file storage and organization are off the charts. You can share your files via URL, email, and social media. It's a cinch to customize client dashboards with their own branding. Your clients will even be able to review assets for promos, ads, and other marketing projects on their own branded dashboard. You can actually host media inside and outside of BrandBay, which is perfect for interfacing with clients' graphic design workflows or media embedding, and hosting for websites. With BrandBay's browser extension, you can access your brand assets without having to jump between tabs. Brand-based customizable user permissions. You get to call the shots. Invite top-level admins to oversee all your brands, or give limited access to individual clients. If you need a hand, there are loads of onboarding tutorials to get you started. You'll be able to control who's able to upload, download, and edit assets, as well as who can add users to your team. Organize and share digital assets for multiple clients or projects. The instant access, multi-brand asset management system. BrandBay keeps your clients' digital assets organized and lets you access them with their handy Chrome extension. Simplify your file management. So, click on the link below to BrandBay for an incredible price. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.